Severe thunderstorm watch.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 59, effective until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch. Conditions are favorable.
I was very unprepared for this.
Including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is a wind advisory statement. For the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Johnson, Marion, Morgan, Rush, and Shelby. Wind advisory now in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. South winds 20 to 30 miles per hour.
We're in this little polygon right here.
Isolated higher gusts cannot be ruled out. The areas affected include portions of central, south central, southeast, southwest, and west central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected